最近有網友要求我拍一段短片講解 reported speech。咁呢，我諗呢一次過呢係冇可能講得晒嘅。因為有關 reported speech 呢都有幾多嘢要去注意嘅。咁就我諗我會分開2至3段嘅影片係去講呢回事啦吓。咁希望尤其係嗰位發問嘅網友俾多啲耐性啦吓。咁首先簡單咁講咗咩為之 reported speech 先。有啲嘅情況之下呢，我哋係唔會完完全全咁將人哋嘅說話呢去複述出嚟嘅。咁我哋會做嘅嘢係將人哋嘅意思轉達俾第三個人聽。咁呢啲時候呢，我哋就會用到 reported speech 啦。咁我相信睇我 blog 嘅大家都係可能學緊英式嘅英文啦。咁我會教翻英式嘅轉變嘅方式啦吓。咁即係等大家唔好翻到學校有啲老師佢唔中意美式嘅英文當咗你錯咁唔好啦吓。咁由 direct speech 轉做 reported speech 咧，最主要要去留意嘅東西有5樣。咁第一樣就係人物，究竟講嘅開頭係邊一個呢？譬如原先係 I 嘅，咁好多時要轉做 you 啦，係咪？地方啦，係咪？例如 here 要變 there 啦，OK？例如時間呢，你就唔可以，譬如你唔可以講話 now 啦，你可以你譬如要講 then 啦，或者 at that moment 啦，OK？亦都要注意個時式啦吓，呢樣嘢非常非常之重要嘅。例如好多時呢，就要將現在一啲現在式啊，包括進行嘅形態啦、完成嘅形態啦、簡單嘅形態啦，轉成為過去嘅形態嘅。咁最後呢，呢個深啲嘅要轉變埋個動詞佢自己本身啦。即係將佢變做第二個動詞，因為有啲時候呢，我哋係好難去用一啲複述嘅形式咧嚟複述翻人哋嘅情感出嚟嘅。咁我哋就譬如啦，可能要加一啲帶有情感嘅動詞呢，嚟去令到人哋明白佢當時即係開頭講嘅人當時佢表達嘅時候係點樣準確啲咁樣，令到佢明白究竟當時講個人佢係有一個咩嘅情感，佢個語氣係點樣嘅咁樣啦。咁譬如啦，我用一個簡單嘅句子嚟做例子先啦吓。譬如呢一句好簡單嘅 ，I'll be here again tomorrow, said Jane. I'll be here again tomorrow, said Jane. 嗱，呢個呢就係 direct speech 嚟嘅，即係話直接你同嗰個人講，Jane 講過啲乜嘢啊？直接係複述翻、引用翻佢嘅說話，一字不留嘅。咁之但係呢，如果我哋要複述翻俾第二個人聽啦，譬如你見到 John 啊，你要同阿 John 講翻阿 Jane 講過啲乜嘢咯，你要改變入邊啲字眼啦。嗱，好似呢句咁樣呢，首先睇翻啱先我哋講啦。首先好似啱先咁講啦，人物啦，係咪 I 會轉咗做 she 啦。嗱 will be 呢個係一個動詞啦，係咪助動詞再加一個主動詞？咁呢，我哋係只會改變前面個動詞啦，啲小學嘅知識啦，我希望你哋係知嘅呢樣嘢。咁will 轉做 would 啦，係咪變做過去式啦？嗱 here 唔再用 here 啦 ，here 係呢度啊嘛，咁你用 there 啦，企 there 嗰度。again 唔使變啦。嗱 tomorrow 呢要變喎 ，tomorrow 聽日，你可能複述俾阿 John 聽嘅時候呢，你唔再係嗰一日嘅，你可能係隔咗幾日先同阿 John 複述嘅，咁你唔可以講 tomorrow 噶。你如果唔係呢，你會令人哋誤會嘅。咁你可能呢要講嘅就會係譬如 the next day 啦，the following day 啦，或者甚至直接講嗰一日係幾多號或者星期幾嚟嘅咁樣啦。咁咧成句會改成點呢？就係 Jane said that she would be there again the next day。好啦，嗱，嚟到呢度呢，可能你會問啦，係咪嗰個動詞一定要變嘅呢？係咪一定要 will 變做 would 嘅呢？唔一定嘅。雖然文法書呢，就基本上好似一條規則咁話咗俾你聽呢，就係基本上就係一定要變㗎啦。由 direct speech 轉做 indirect speech 呢個規則就要將個動詞變咗佢。但係其實事實上呢，係唔係咁樣嘅。平時我哋對話嘅時候呢， 有啲資訊呢，我哋係明知佢係未過嘅，呢啲資訊仲係到目前為止仲係有效嘅。咁樣呢，我哋係唔需要用到過去式嘅。譬如講翻啱先，用翻同一個例子啊 ，Jane 佢話佢聽日會再係喺呢度咁樣啊嘛。嗱，假設你係同一日講嘅，你亦都明知道呢 Jane 呢，佢真係聽日會喺嗰度嘅話呢，咁樣呢，你其實可以唔使轉變個動詞嘅。咁你可以講成 Jane said that she will be there again tomorrow。tomorrow 都唔使變啦嚇，因為聽日嚟噶嘛，真係聽日嚟噶嘛，係嘛？咁所以呢係基本上係視乎情況嘅。咁你話啦，如果我哋做卷嘅時候，咁點知佢究竟過咗去未呢？呢件事件其實係無需要知嘅。基本上呢，你將佢變做過去式呢，都係啱嘅。喺英國嘅英文嚟講，即係逢親呢，你見到佢將你逢親呢有一個句子佢俾咗你，而後邊嘅動詞你留意到佢後邊即係譬如啦，I like her，I like her，John said 咁樣啦嚇。你見到後邊係 said 嘅，唔係用 say 嘅。咁你呢就基本上呢可以肯定咗呢前面嗰句你轉做過去式呢係啱噶啦。好啦，咁呢我就俾多啲轉變嘅一啲例子俾你哋啦嚇。You 啦會變 I 啦，係咪？My 啦會變 his 啦，her 啦。Now 會變 then 啦，at that moment 啦，或者 today 會變 that day 啦，或者 yesterday 咧會變 the day before the previous day 咁樣啦。Tomorrow the following day the next day。This week 會變 that week 啦。Last week the week before the previous week。An hour ago an hour before。動詞呢就普通嘅動詞啦，譬如 is 咁樣咧變 was 啦，係咪 ？eat 咁咪變 ate 啦。現在進行式嘅，譬如 is doing 咪變 was doing 啦。完成式嘅 I have come 咪變 I had come 咯。如果過去完成式嘅話呢，係唔需要變噶啦，因為過去完成式係最盡噶啦 ，OK 冇得再變噶啦。或者好似啱先咁嘅 modal verb 嘅，modal verbs 嘅就譬如 can 變 could 啦 ，will would 啦，或者 shall 變 should 啦。不過呢個其實呢個有少少保留啦嚇。咁就may 變 might 啦，must 特別啲 must 咧會變做 had to 嘅 ，had had to。咁就好，今日冇乜咩時間講落去啦。咁下一次再同大家繼續講。